You got this, buddy. No, he's gonna make it. Oh, shit.
He tried.
Here, Bear. You okay? Where are you? He's mad.
Drowning?
No. Come on, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here and let me dry you.
Your demise.
Water, earth, fire, air.
One step at a time, Bartholomew. Stairs are very treacherous. Okay, Daryl. Where's Kenneth?
What up, guys? I'm
Normalize you not touching my charger. Stop.
What's up? Hey, what's up? This is zonked out.
What did you bring me?